Radhe Radhe. Today we're going to explore a fascinating section of the Bhagavad Purana where Shukadeva Goswami speaks to Maharaja Pariksit about a significant event in ancient Indian religious history, the birth of Jainism. The story involves a king named Arhat who, inspired by the teachings of Lord Risabhadeva, introduced a new religious system that was distinct from the Vedic path. In this section, Shukadeva Goswami tells King Pariksit that a king named Arhat from the regions of Konka, Venka, and Kutaka became inspired by the teachings of Lord Risabhadeva, the first Tirthankara of Jainism. However, instead of following the Vedic path, King Arhat deviated and introduced a new system of spirituality. This new religion, later known as Jain Dharma, rejected many of the core principles of the Vedas, such as worship of the Supreme Lord and Vedic rituals. Shukadeva Goswami says that King Arhat's actions were influenced by the Kali Yuga, an age of moral decline and confusion, where people are more prone to follow systems that stray from the traditional teachings of the Vedas. King Arhat, in his desire to establish a spiritual path for the people, began improvising and creating a new religious system. He adopted some of the ascetic principles of Lord Risabhadeva, who was revered for his teachings on self realization, detachment, and non-violence. However, Arhat did not follow the Vedic foundation that had been established by sages like Vyasa and others before him. Instead, he gave rise to a new system of belief, one that did not align with the established Vedic tradition. This event is seen as a pivotal moment in the history of Indian philosophy, the emergence of Jainism as a heterodox or non Vedic religion. Jainism's core teachings focus on self discipline, asceticism, and ahimsa, non-violence, which are seen as an alternative to the Vedic approach, which emphasizes devotion to a personal god and ritualistic practices. Shukadeva Goswami also warns of the dangers of Kali Yuga, the age of spiritual decline, where people are more likely to follow systems that are easy or comfortable even if they deviate from the truth. In this age, spiritual seekers often forget the Vedic principles of Dharma and are more inclined to embrace new religions that may seem appealing but lack the depth and authenticity of the Vedic path. As Shukadeva mentions, during this time, people will accept any system that promises salvation, even if it does not align with the spiritual truths of the Vedas. This is a clear reference to how, in the Kali Yuga, people tend to follow false spiritual